Hello, my muses. How have you been? Oh man, it has been quite a while since I've made a video. The last one I made, I uploaded it to YouTube twice, and neither time it worked out. So, to me, that was the universe saying, it's just not time to release this video yet. This isn't the video to release. So, I've given it, I'd say, a week or so. Yeah, maybe about a week and a half since I made that video, and thought that I'd try again with another How Psychic Are You segment. So last time I did this, I did it with tarot cards. This time I'm doing it with crystals. I'm going to do 7 different crystals. I'm going to put them in my lovely box here. Okay. And I have my handy dandy timer, so that way I can keep count, say, for about a minute. I'll give you about a minute each time to try to figure out what exactly is in here. And for this, you want to see if you can figure out what color it is, what shape it is. If you could figure the crystal out itself, that would be wonderful. Maybe your psychic senses, you'll just know. That's a claircognizance. Or maybe you'll use your clairvoyance to see it clearly. Or maybe you'll be able to just feel it and know. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my first one in here. So like I said, I'm going to use my timer here and give you a minute. You ready? Let's go. Okay, your minute's up. Let's see if you got it right. What's in the box? Did you see an amethyst? Did you see how big it was? The whitish clearness on this side. The purple tip. Let me know for each of these how many it is that you get, if you got the color, if you knew automatically what the crystal was. Any information, any intuitive hits that you got about it, I would love to know and see what your score is. Alright, so now I'm going to come over here and put another one in the box. Can't let you see now. Oh, and this is what the inside of the box looks like, if that helps anybody. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see what you got. Let's see if you got it. It's hematite. So maybe you saw a very shiny surface. Maybe the color silver or gray came to mind. Maybe this odd, almost teardrop shape came to mind, or perhaps the cracks in it. Let me know. Did anybody get this right? What intuitive hits did you get? Okay. Which one do I want to do next? Keep you guys guessing. Number 3 of 7. Come on, you've got this. Time's up, my muses. Orange calcite. So, did you see the color orange? Did you see a shiny, glossy, like kind of surface? Maybe did you smell? Okay, let's dive into smell when it comes to this one. Did you smell oranges or something that you associate with the color orange? Or maybe did you feel your sacral chakra pulsing, because this is a sacral chakra crystal? Let me know. And if you got it, huzzah! Your minute starts. Okay, this one is a little bit different this time. This time it's a Shiva Lingam. Not a very big one, but still a Shiva Lingam the same. Did you see gray? Did you see a dark brown? Maybe you saw both, or a stripe, something like this. Or perhaps you saw an oval type of shape. What intuitive hits did you get about this one in particular? I'd be interested in knowing. Oh, and it has, some, I don't know if you can see that, little brown dots. So maybe you saw little brown dots or something like that too, if that helps anyone. On this side, there's some little, kind of like grayish dots on there, in case that helps anyone too, as a confirmation. 3 more to go. Okay, sorry, I got a little distracted. You got a little bit more time with that one. Okay. So this one, I think they call it gypsum. Desert rose. Okay, so maybe you're able to feel things. You just, you have a psychic sense where you can feel things. Did you feel a rough surface? Something very rough? Or did you see images? Maybe it makes me think of tumbleweeds a little bit. So maybe you saw tumbleweeds. Or, you know, you can't really see it in this video. The video does not do this justice, but it does have little flecks of, it's almost like glitter, but you know, it's crystals. There are little crystals all over them. So maybe you saw that. And this is kind of, I don't know if you can see it or not. This kind of has a heart shape to it. So maybe you saw a bit of a heart. You know, or maybe, it reminds me of a bramble patch a little bit too. Completely wrong color, but maybe you saw images of kind of like a bramble type of patch or something like that. Okay. Good luck. What did you see in here? We have a rainbow fluorite point here. Oh man, the video is not doing this very much justice, but it's clear in here. There's purple, there's blue, there's green. This is absolutely gorgeous when you hold it up into the light, honestly. I should have gotten a flashlight or something to show this off to you guys a little bit more, although that might look weird on the video. So what colors did you see? Did you see clear or purple? Did you see blue or green? Did you see a point, you know, a tower of any sort? Maybe you saw, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 or 7. 6. Maybe you saw 6 sides. Okay, this is a pretty universal crystal. Honestly, it's used for learning and several different chakras. So maybe you felt your third eye pulsing. Maybe you felt your crown. Maybe you felt your throat pulsing, you know, if you're diving into that. Or maybe if you're clairsalient, have clairsalience. I think that's the taste one. Is that the taste one or is that the smell one? Okay, I forgot. So maybe you smelled something in one of these colors, or maybe you tasted something in one of these colors. You know, I think that's a small one, honestly. So just diving into those different senses. I should have looked that up before doing this video, but oh well. Oh, maybe you can see that the color variation in a little bit, having it farther back. But okay, so we only have one more left, and then I'll pull all them up so you can see and remember which ones you got right and which ones you didn't. Okay, let's see who got this fun one here. This very last one here was Rainbow Aura Clear Quartz. So hopefully you can see all the rainbow color on that. It's definitely a bit of a weird shape. So maybe you saw, you know, there's a little point here, there's a point here, there's a point here, and here. There's about like 4 points. There's a big cluster going down here. So maybe you saw that. Maybe you saw a bit of that rainbow color there. Maybe your crown chakra was pulsing. Let me know what you felt with this one. Maybe just a rainbow itself popped up in your mind, you know, to kind of go with the theme of this. Now I'll go ahead and put all of them up. Yeah, that one doesn't really like to stand up too well. That's okay. Let me know how many you got right and if you enjoyed this, because I do plan to make another video. Only the next one, I think it's gonna go ahead and be on different kinds of foods, probably different sweets, or you know, something along those lines, to kind of test again how psychic you are and what it is that you can smell or taste or see. Yeah, so again, we have our amethyst, our hematite, orange calcite, Shiva lingam, desert rose, fluorite, and rainbow aura clear quartz. Let me know what you got. Let me know if you like this. And if so, feel free to share it and come back and check out my other videos. I love you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.